So, it's off to work I go. It's 5:37 a.m. The moon is bright this morning. I gotta work from 6 to 3, and then I gotta go get some groceries, and then I'm probably gonna browse around at some stores for some techie, geeky stuff, or Windows shop anyway, but not for Windows. Not shopping for Windows. Just browsing today. Hopefully. It's 10:30 in the morning, but that's my lunchtime, and I don't think I'm going to be doing very many vlogs today, or even for the next few days, because I've come down with another cold. I can feel it. It's on its way, pretty much, and not too happy about it. It's my second cold in less than 90 days, so I'm gonna be a little bit out of commission for probably the next week. But I'll be sure to try and post some things and make a few other videos. But yeah, we'll see how the rest of the day goes. I still got some stuff I gotta do. Well, I'm still not feeling so hot. I went to Staples and looked at the wireless routers they had, and I also looked at their computer chairs, because I could definitely use a new computer chair. And I didn't really know until now that the wireless router I have is a piece of junk. Well, not really a piece of junk, but it's not made for what I'm trying to do. It's not made for streaming HD video. It's not made for multiple devices or multiple users on it. It's not made for online gaming, and that's what I'm trying to use it for. So, but I ended up not getting anything because the prices weren't up my alley. I could do better online. The problem with finding better prices online is when you're in the store, you want it right now. You know, you want to walk out of the store with it right now. But when you have to buy it online, you got to wait a few days. But you save money that way. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Got me some chicken noodle soup. What better thing to have when you're having a cold? I can't think of many. Well, except maybe some sleep. Man, does that cam taste awful? This, right here, Zycam Ultra Cold Remedy Rapid Melts. They're not that rapid. Great tasting. They are not. This is one of the reasons why I need a new router. It's been sitting like this for like a minute now. It's not okay. Even though 18,000 workers lost their jobs at Hostess, 19 executives will receive hefty cash payouts. That's a lot of Twinkies! This is the router I'd like to update to. It's $136.08 on Amazon. Staples in store wanted $160. I think I'll go with this one and deal with the waiting time for the delivery. Man, I love the Big Bang Theory. Even if it is reruns. But almost as much as I love likes, comments, and shares my videos.